Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, we got the volatility we have been waiting for because market was silent because of bank holiday on Monday, and we were hoping that we will get to see some moves on Tuesday. And yes, dollar became volatile, dollar became violent, and ultimately it broke the resistance of 104.7 as we were expecting. So the dollar is still bullish as we have already discussed in our previous videos. So obviously we need to plan our trades accordingly. If you look at the chart of DXY here, then we can clearly see DXY made a high of 104.90, and right now it is going for retracement. Keep in mind, retracement, trend reversal, both are different things. Market obviously will go for retracement so that it can go higher. But if we look at the economy calendar, we can see that today we have news coming up in the evening, means in the US session. Okay, so be careful. Okay, market will be volatile and market may show some crazy moves. Try to close down your positions before the news because your stop loss may not work because of high volatility and slippage. And if you look at the chart of DXY, then as I said that DXY is right now going for some correction here. So what is the next support on DXY then? The next support on DXY is around 104.40 or 104.45, 104.50. The previous resistance will be working as the next support here. Okay, around 104.40, 104.50, we have the previous resistance working as support, so we can expect that market will get some support around this area. If market bounces, we can definitely look for some buy position. But after the news, if DXY starts falling, then obviously this will not work because this is a minor support. In that case, you can look for support around 104, 103.50. So levels before news and after news are different, never forget. And if DXY continues the upside, then obviously, okay, market will be very bullish. Okay, enough talk about DXY. Now let's look at the chart of gold. So we can see right now that gold is standing at 1926 and the selling pressure is very high. And if the same bullishness continues on dollar, then obviously the pressure on gold will remain. Okay. The problem is that we had a very strong support around 1925-26 level that we have discussed yesterday, day for yesterday. Yesterday, to be honest, okay, we got the bounce, okay, but okay, the bounce was not very much satisfactory. Okay, my buy position or my buy limit was around 1925.50. Okay, when I saw that market was struggling around 1928, okay, I really felt very sad because at least I was expecting the target of 1930 yesterday, but the bounce was so weak that I had to exit at 1928. Okay, and obviously I was not at all happy. But right now I can see that I did the right thing and market is okay, market is still struggling. So things are not very positive for gold right now if we look at the chart technically. And if the same pressure on gold remains, then obviously market will be heading towards the next support of 1919 to 1915. This is the next support on the chart of gold. If you're wondering why 1919 to 1916, then here you can see we are using Fibonacci here. Okay, you can see here around 1919 level we have Fibo 50% retracement level 1980, 1919, and along with that we also have previous price rejection support around this area. So if we combine both the things here, the 1919 from 1919 to 1915, okay, we have a good buy zone. So we can expect a bounce, at least a bounce from here, if not a complete trend reversal. Okay, at least we can bounce, expect a bounce around 1950, 1916 level. If it bounces, we can go for a buy. Do not look for confirmation on the 4 hours time frame. Okay, try to have a confirmation on 15 minutes time frame of the chart. Okay, and around 1920 to around 1921 22 also we have a minor support, but to be honest I am not convinced right now. Okay, if I need to take a buy, then I'll obviously I'll be going for buy around this area. So yesterday I told you guys that we have a risky sell opportunity below 1934, but when the opportunity came it did not look very risky, to be honest. Okay, it looked very nice. Okay, so today also, okay, if market breaks, okay, if market breaks 1924, then you can look for a sell position. But right now I'm recording the video in the Asian session. In Asian session we do not have much volatility and volume. You can see the size of the candles. By the European session or US session, if market starts falling, if you see gold going down, you can look for a quick selling opportunity of around 40 pips. I think it will head towards 1920. Okay, so we can book your profits around 1920 if you take a sell below 1924. So these are the trading opportunities on the chart of gold if market starts going down. But I would like to take you to a little bit of complication. Wait and watch. If we look at the options data here, then you can see that around 19 or not around at 1925 we have contracts adding up. Okay, and you can see the market is trying its best to survive above 1925. Okay, so I think that market, okay, market still has a bounce here. There is a possibility that after news DXY will start falling and gold will be going up, and it will somehow break 1925 and it will be trading above 1925 after news. This is my perception. Okay, I believe that there is a possibility. I'm not sure yet. Okay, so anyway, before news, my dear friends, before news, if you see that gold is going up, you can also look for a quick selling opportunity around 1931 1932, 1931 to 1932, because you can see right now, as we can clearly see the present trend. Okay, I'm talking about the present trend of the market is towards the downside. Sellers are dominating, dollar is also bullish. So around 1931 1932 we have a minor resistance, FIBO 23.6 along with the 200 moving average. If you see market reversing from this particular area, you can look for a sell position in the Asian and European session only. Okay, because at US session news is coming up. If gold starts going up after the news and you are planning to take a sell at 1931 32, it will not work. Okay, so you need to understand that every level, okay, is different. The strength of each and every level is different. You cannot expect all the levels to behave in the same manner. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Let me wrap it up. First of all, we have a good support around 1925 and market is trying its best to survive above 1925. In case market breaks 1924 during the day, especially during the European session, and starts falling, if the volume is good enough, we can look for a sell position as well for 30 to 40 pips. Try to exit around 1920, because from 1919 to 1915 we have a support zone. If market bounces from there, we can look for a buy position. Before news, if gold shows some recovery, then at present the trend of the market is towards the downside. So around 1931 1932 we have a minor resistance. If gold reverses from 31 32, if you see that price rejection is there from the top, you can look for a sell position at 1931 32 before news only, because gold is trying its best. There is a possibility that after news DXY may start falling and gold may show some recovery. After all, we can see the contracts are also building up around 1925. So let's wait and watch. If you already have any ongoing position in the market right now, whether it is buy or sell, you can be on the trade. No need to exit. Just wait and watch, because the present trend of the market may be towards the downside, but still some recovery is left, I think so. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, so please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money, capital at the time of news. Market is not going anywhere. Be a trader, not a gambler. Bye bye, take care.